circle of Willis, it is formed by two systems, vertebral system and internal carotid system. Vertebral system, there are two vertebral arteries which are cut here, which join to form the basilar artery. This is the basilar artery at the lower border of pons. The two vertebral arteries join to form the basilar artery. This is the basilar artery. Then there is internal carotid artery here. These two are the internal carotid arteries. The circle of Willis is formed in the interpeduncular fossa. These two are the two cerebral peduncles. So this fossa here is the interpeduncular fossa. You can also see the two optic nerves crossing over here to form the optic chiasma, and there is the stalk of the pituitary here, stalk of the pituitary, and two mammillary bodies. These are the things you can see in the interpeduncular fossa. These two are the mammillary bodies. Two follicles or things here are the mammillary bodies. So the circle of Willis now, this basilar artery gives the terminal branches of basilar artery is posterior cerebral artery. This is the posterior cerebral artery. One on the left, one on the right. Posterior cerebral artery. It gives posterior communicating branches on both sides. This is the posterior cerebral artery. This is the posterior communicating branch of the left. Posterior cerebral artery and posterior communicating branch of the right. Now this internal carotid artery gives two branches, anterior cerebral artery and middle cerebral artery. Here, this is the internal carotid artery giving anterior cerebral artery and middle cerebral artery. So this anterior cerebral arteries of both the sides communicate by a small branch here called the anterior communicating. It's like a H. So anterior cerebral artery comes from here, anterior cerebral artery comes from here. They are both connected here by the anterior communicating artery. So this is the anterior communicating artery, what I am lifting in between the two anterior cerebral arteries. So this entire thing forms the circle of Willis.